Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can obtain a suggestion for the number of bins using Python and my stikpetP library. I'm using Jupyter Notebook and I've installed at the moment version 3.8.18 of Python. So there are quite a lot of different ways of determining how many bins to use. To show you an example, I'll load some example data by using pandas. So first import pandas, and then I can use their read CSV function to load the general social survey data from 2012 adjusted for these examples. I need a scale field, so a numeric field. I'm going to be using age, but there's a small problem. There is an 89 or older category in there, so I'm just going to replace that with 90. So I'll first select the scale field itself, remove any missing values, use the 89 or older, and then I can use the replace function, and to make sure it's all numeric, I'll also use the toNumeric. So now there are no strings or any other weird things in there. Some authors just simply give a rule of thumb, but others have like these suggestions of formulas to use. And if you use my library, you of course need to install it once. You can use pip install and then use the link to my GitHub account, and then you can install it just as import it just as any other library. The function of interest is actually tab n bins, which is short for tables and then number of bins. It requires the data as input, and all the other ones are optional. You can choose which method you want to use. These are all the possibilities. You can adjust, so it's a small adjustment to the upper bound of the last bin, so that the maximum will actually be included. The maximum number of bins, and you can set the quartile method. Those two are depending on which method you're actually using. So it's a simple matter of actually filling out the name of the function and feed it the data, and you'll get a suggestion. So for example, if I now add here method equals and then let's say Sturgis, then I get the result from Sturgis, which suggests to use 12 bins. So this can vary quite a bit. If you don't want to use my library, I have a separate video where I go over the hard way of doing this using all the different formulas that are out there. So I think it's easier to simply use that library. But okay, I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.